Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Clipchamp for AI editing automations, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.clipchamp.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with options to sign up using your email, Google account, or Microsoft account. If you choose to sign up with email, fill in the required fields with your name, email, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. After filling in the details, click on the Create Account button. If you opted to use Google or Microsoft, click on the respective button and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Once signed up, you may receive a confirmation email to verify your email address. Check your inbox and look for an email from Clipchamp. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Clipchamp website. Once verified, log in using your credentials. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by the Clipchamp dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its features. To access AI editing automations, look for the Automated Editing section in the dashboard. Click on this section to discover the different AI tools available. Follow the prompts to start a new project and utilize the AI editing features. Begin uploading your video files by clicking the Upload button. Once your files are uploaded, you can drag and drop them into the timeline. Explore the AI suggestions and tools to enhance your editing process. Adjust settings as needed, and preview your edits regularly. Finally, once satisfied with your project, navigate to the export options to render your video. Choose your desired settings and click on the Export button. Wait for the processing to finish, and your video will be ready for download. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.